Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions, and here at the Photo Managers Conference with Jill Yesko.
Hello.
And you're in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
I am.
And remind me of your company name again.
It's Discover Organizing.
Okay. And you're a professional organizer, but you also do photo organizing.
Mm-hmm.
And what's something that you've done with a client this past year, or something that you've done that you think is important?
I think probably the most important thing we did, marrying the two, is that when we are downsizing someone and we come across slides and projects that we see as projects, that maybe the client doesn't see them as a project yet, because they're just, at that point, they're a box in a basement, or they're covered with dust in the attic. And we rescue those photos and we can convert them into a photo client by simply explaining the value of having these beautiful relics of their life turned into something they can enjoy on a digital frame or something like that. So one of the best things that we did this year was we found all the provenance receipts in an attic when we were organizing and downsizing that they had lost for 30 years.
Oh, wow.
So we were able to, as photo organizers now, because we had the technology and the know-how, we were able to scan all of those things for them and make that an option, because we can.
Yeah. Oh, neat.
Yeah, that was kind of cool.
And the reason that's important is because the provenance actually makes the item more valuable.
Right.
So, yeah.
And they were like, this was worth every penny that you, because the junk guys are literally carrying things out from the attic. And they were carrying out the window screens. I'm like, no, those stay with the house. And then I literally was like digging through to make sure that they weren't taking things they weren't supposed to take from the attic, even though the customer said, oh, everything goes. And because we're detail oriented, I said, oh, that looks like an important box. My eyes went, that looks like an important box. And I open it and it's all of the art receipts since 1955 or something. Yeah.
Oh,
so that was cool.
So not just your photos, but sometimes the memorabilia is important in order to tell your story so that they'll last for generations.
That's right.
And not get thrown out.
Not get thrown out in a junk truck.
See you next week.